Hey lovelies, welcome back to another episode of My Amazing Life in my amazing room. Today's video is gonna be it's gonna be like, I don't even know. Like, I just feel so glammed right now. Like, I never do like a good glam, but feeling kind of golden today, you know what I mean? Didn't know House of Lashes just came out with a new mystery grab bag. It has 5 just random lashes from all their collections for $28, and then after shipping it's like $32. So I'm actually wearing one pair today. I purchased these by itself. I didn't get it with the mystery grab bag. And then you get the little baggie. Of course, I already ripped into it and I got too excited, so I couldn't contain myself. And so this is what it looks like. There's 5, so 1, 2, and then there's 2. There's another one behind here, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 different style lashes for about $32 after shipping, $28 retail. 5 pairs of good quality lashes for $20. Like, girl, let me tell you, you cannot pass up on this deal. I'm gonna just show y'all what I got. And the first style is Iconic Light. These ones are a lighter version of the ones that I'm wearing right now. Like, can y'all tell? Like, these are the Iconic Light. This is the first pair. I believe this retails for $12. But moving on, the next pair of lashes are called Featherette. It's really feathery. Duh, hence the name. Like, I really need to stop dropping stuff. I swear. I swear. All right, moving on to the next pair of lashes. These are called Noir Fairy Black, BLK Black. Do they have these in other colors? Like, I want to know. They're really pretty as well. I might as well take it off its packaging. This is what is this one called? I don't even know. Noir Black Fairy and BLK, whatever that means. This is what they look like. Like, it's not even focusing. They're really wispy. It's really pretty. I keep dropping stuff. They kind of look like, this one is just lighter, which is Featherette. And then the Noir Fairy one is just like more dense. But I don't know. The next one's got to be my favorite. It has like the prettiest packaging and most iconic packaging ever. It is so pretty. Like, this is their faux mink collection. And what I love about this is that, like, isn't that cool? That is freaking amazing. I don't know why, but this packaging is just gorgeous. I don't know what style they're in, though. Does it say? Lavish Noir? Is that the style? I don't know, but look. They are so gorgeous and perfect for, like, a feathery, like, everyday natural glam. These are gorgeous. But y'all, like, look at this. Like, and last but not least, obviously, is the last pair of lashes that came in. These ones are called Temptress Wispy. So they are wispy AF. And they are just really like, if you want to glam up, but you don't want to be like full glam and like you just want to look cute with a little bit of extra lashes, these ones are to go for. Like, they're just so, look at that. Look how light they are. They look super light. I would wear these. I wear all of these. The fuck? I bought it, so I'm wearing it.
I want it, I got it, yeah. I want it, I got it.
For $28, you're getting all of these gorgeous pair of lashes. And it retails for like, I think $60. Because like they average about like $12 per lashes. 12 times 5 is obviously 60 because I know my math, so. Since we are nearing the end of the video, and if you made it this far, congratulations to you for listening to my annoying self for about like 5 minutes. But I'm actually gonna give away 2 pairs of these lashes. All you have to do is leave a comment below which one is your favorite, where you're tuning in from. Make sure you like the video, you subscribe, and obviously just share and just be active. So that's all you have to do. You know, no big, like, follow me on Twitter. I don't use Twitter, so you don't have to follow me on Twitter. Nothing big at all. I'll be choosing a winner in about 2 weeks. Let's do that. February 22nd, I will be choosing a winner and I'll be shipping them out on the February 22nd. I will personally message the winner. One winner will be receiving 2 out of the 5. You choose. Again, let me know which one's your favorites. One winner will be getting 2 out of the 5 lashes. Free of charge, girlfriend. I'm giving them away. Hello, because I'm such a nice person. Like, I do this cute shit for people. You know, so go ahead and, you know, follow the steps. Get it going. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Welcome to my family. And if you haven't, go and, like, watch my other videos. Because, girl, if you haven't... Interesting, very interesting. Anyways, I'm gonna be listing my videos over here on this side of the screen. I can't talk at all today. This side of the screen. And then if you haven't subscribed, either click down below or go ahead and click on my cute little icon up here. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in again. And if you want to enter the giveaway, go ahead and enter the giveaway. Because, girl, who doesn't like free lashes? That's like what? $24 that you're saving right there. So it's money coming out of my pocket, not yours. Remember that. And I'll see everyone pretty soon. Bye.